Hi everyone, today I am going to make a snowman, and I've showed you how to do the mice, and the snowmen are very similar. So let me just get what I need over here. Okay, so all I did was get one of these gloves in white, and I put a little elastic around here and here. Okay, so we'll go on from that point so it doesn't take too long of a video. Now, what I did do was, over time, the elastics are going to snap. They're going to disintegrate. Nothing you can do about that. So I suggest that you put some thread around each part as well. And I've just done that now. I use the same thread that I use when I'm making my journals. It's a waxed thread, but you can use any kind of thread, and it'll be just fine. So let's start off with the hat. And I'm just going to cut one of these off. Alright, and I'm just going to like kind of do that. We'll see how it looks on here. That looks like that'll be fine. So I'm going to take some glue. Now usually I wouldn't use hot glue because of the elastic, but since I put that thread there, I really don't have to worry about it. So I'll just put some hot glue and I'll put this hat on. Push it down first and then push it up. This is a really fluffy one. You don't always have to do the fluffy ones. That's the kind of gloves they had at Dollar Tree. But if you can get the ones that aren't like this, you know, they're not like puffy like this, it's even better. So I think because this is so puffy, I think I'm going to just take a little bit off here. Okay, and we're going to get, now we have to make the scarf. So I'm just going to cut the glove. I'm going to cut this part. Alright, and then I'm going to take this part and I'm going to just cut. It doesn't need to be this thick either, but we'll start here from now. And then we'll kind of just go like this a little bit. Okay. And this is two, you can make two out of this. I'll just cut this. Okay, and I'll wrap it around my snowman. And I will tie it tight, and I'll probably do it twice. There we go. Sometimes you gotta play around with it, especially this material. I don't care for this material. Okay, so we don't need all this, so I'm gonna cut this off. And then I like to just glue it like this. You don't have to do that, but I like to glue it down. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the middle here and a little bit right here on the side. And just hold it down for a bit. Okay. Now I'm going to fix this. I am not happy with this. Like I said, if you can get the ones that aren't that kind of material, feel free. It'll be much easier. Now I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. because this side is not cooperating and I just want it to be up. So I'm going to add my glue and a little bit of glue right here. And then that'll fix that problem of the hat keep coming down. Actually, I think I like this side better for the, I think I like this side better for the face. Alright, whatever. Okay, so we have to add our eyes and our nose and our buttons. So I am going to use the diamond dots. I used to use, I gotta figure out how to open this. I used to use puffy paint, and I showed you the puffy paint. Now the problem with the puffy paint is you can get, get your whole thing done, whether you're doing a snowman or you're doing a mouse, and then all you need is for the puffy paint to splurt out. You can try your best with it not happening, but sometimes it does. And then you're left with a big mess and you have to throw everything out. So that's why I am not doing the puffy paint this time. I'm putting these eyes. And I thought the diamond dots were a good idea for that. And they're right here. So I'm going to put these eyes on. And I wish I had my little pokey stick so I could pick these up, but I'm going to try my best. Oh, let me try a pencil. I don't know. So, do one and another. Let me try this, I'm not sure. I'm just going to try picking it up with my hand. How's that? So we got 1, 2. Much better with my hand. So we got the eyes. Now, I use 4mm teardrop beads for the nose. And that's just what it looks like. So I'm going to stick the little nose on. I don't bother putting a mouth. You can, but I don't bother doing that. And there you go. These sell like crazy at the craft fairs. Everybody just loves them. Okay, so now we got to add some buttons and we have to dress up that hat. So I have a cute little bow that I think will go cute. I just might have to cut it a little bit. Okay, so I'll put that little bow on. Okay. You can make them however you want. And let's see what we have for buttons. So I'm just going to close this up so the diamond dots don't fall everywhere. And let me put this away. These are easier to make than the mice because there's a lot less steps. The mice have whiskers, the mice have the ears. It takes a long time. So let me see what color would go nice. Let's see what I have. I have the itty bitty buttons at home. So that's not going to help me here. So since I did a light pink bow, maybe I'll do some light pink buttons. Let me see what I can get here. Oh, here's a light pink. I got 3 that match, so we'll do that. So we'll put the 3 buttons on. Sometimes you can only fit 2 buttons, because sometimes, like if you're using the pinky, this is like I think this was the middle finger, but if you use the pinky one, they're really small. So we fit the 3 buttons. So there's the cute little snowman, and like I said, these are a big hit at craft fairs. I sell out of every single one I make, whether I make these or the mice. So thanks for watching. I wanted to share that with you today, and I will catch you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.